The 5 things I like about Keystone as a beginner. Number 1, beautiful views from Dercum Mountain. The Dercum Mountain is where the learning area is, and the starting point of Keystone's famous 3.5 miles green run Schoolmarm. You will see this stunning Dillon Lake view in front of you when you start skiing. The number 2, free parking near Chairlift. The Keystone has free parking near the Chairlift, and this is very rare for Epic Resort in Colorado. Run Gondola parking is located close to the base, where you can take the gondola to Dercum Mountain and ski the 3.5 mile green run Schoolmarm. The number 3, gondola goes up and down. No need to panic taking a chairlift. I can take off my ski and ride the gondola to the learning area. After practicing, you can come down from the mountain by gondola. The number 4, the ice fort. The Keystone builds an ice fort at Dercum Mountain every year and is super fun to explore. The number 5, Schoolmarm Green Run is 3.5 miles long. That means I only need to take the gondola once and ski forever. Let's finish the video with my ski view on Schoolmarm.
Evince. 27 hearts beat!